got here some plant chef sausages, which are these. So I have onions are charred, nice little char here. So got some finger rolls here, hot dog, and also picked up these smoky Vacon rashes. So I've got them here. These were £2, which is £1.39. And then these ones were the plant chefs. I tried them out. These were originally £2.50, reduced to £1.42. I had some spare, 3 of them, 3 sausages, and tried these already. They're pretty tasty. So yeah, these are now done. Now these are crispy. These ones aren't crispy. So on the bacon, sorry. So it's a pan fry, some oil, frying pan, and make sure they are cooking until crisp. So these ones are crisp, these ones are not crisp. What's inside these things? I can have a look at the ingredients there. And taste wise, they taste pretty nice. Not bad. These things over here, the sausages that I got, the plant chef ones from Tesco. These ones were, here's the ingredients right there. Just gonna have a look at that. So what I did was pan fry them 12 to 40 minutes under some oil in the pan. And then just basically cook them. What I normally do when I cook sausages anyway, normal sausages, on both sides, make sure it's brown on either side, cut in the middle, and then just fry it again until it's brown, and that is cooked completely. This little test here. Yep. They are nice. Taste the same as normal sausages, but high in protein and no meat, I guess. So a lot of people are making that switch, and that's the reason they're making the switch. It's just a plant-based diet is actually more healthier than going all meat. A lot of times I love my meat, but sometimes I have to think about going forward, getting older, and better if I just change up some stuff and I go with veg. But yeah, this has been the plant chef, the Cumberland sausages, and the smoky rashes, the ones I had left over. And they are pretty nice. And I've got some my finger rolls. I'm basically making a hot dog, and these are now done. Cool. Now nice and crispy. I've got my finger rolls there. These are done. And yeah, so these were they're made with mushroom, pea protein, some seasoning. They taste just the same as the meat variety. Try them out because obviously they were reduced. So why not? It wouldn't really hurt. So pan fry. 12 to 14 minutes, bit of oil, but that's how I cooked them. Didn't really look at the instructions, just went ahead and just cooked them as it is. I think they were any different. And then these things with the bacon, so this is now nice and crispy. So same thing again, you can see that this is all just like, I think turmeric, or it looks like it's turmeric. The ingredients just there, you can have a look there. But yeah, anyway, so couple minutes in the on the fry pan there. My eggs are done now, so I just turn the gas down and that, just leave it to sit. But yeah, nice and simple. So if you guys are looking to, a lot of people are looking to make the switch over to a plant-based sort of diet there, and these are pretty good. Anyway.